In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix not receiving text messages on iPhone. Let's get started. First, do a quick network refresh. For that, launch your settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This often clears off temporary network issues. Next, first restart your device. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, hold side button until Apple logo appears. This might fix your issue. Next up, check messages settings. For that, launch settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. Now from the list of apps, find messages and launch it. Make sure you have enabled for the option iMessage. Then under send and receive, check that your phone number and Apple ID are active. Then you can head back, navigate to the option general, click on about. If there is a carrier update, you will see a prompt. Tap update to keep your network settings up to date. Likewise, check cellular and Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi as well as cellular data is turned on. Reset network settings. Go to General, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, select Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Likewise, check for iOS update. For that, head back, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, what you want to do is, if none of these solutions work, contact your carrier. And that's it. These are some fixes for messages not receiving on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.